Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing a little test video on, and I apologize for my voice. I've got recovering from a cold, but anyway, I'm sitting here at my home computer, and I'm going to show you how to use the UACCB library electronic databases. So, logging on to Firefox here, going into the UACCB page here, and you're going to click on library, obviously. So we're going to click on, well, I guess it wouldn't be so obvious if you've never done it. Anyway, we're going to click on library, and then we're going to go down here to electronic resources, and this, you can access this whether you're on a school computer or a computer at home, as long as you've got the internet. So clicking on electronic resources, and here are some different databases. Now, these remote access databases here, these 5, that means you can access them off campus. Now, this LexisNexis can only be accessed on campus. The ebooks here, I've not used the ebooks, so I'm not an expert on that, but I'll get better later. But for now, we're going to use EBSCOhost. And that's what you're going to use most of the time. So I'm going to click on EBSCOhost, and we know that the user ID is UACCB, and if you guys read my announcement on Blackboard, you know what the password is. So you can see that I've already entered that. So we're going to log into EBSCOhost, and again, here's a lot of different choices on EBSCOhost, but what we're concerned with for the most part is EBSCOhost Web. Now, if you wanted to use a mobile app, you could you may choose to use EBSCOhost Mobile, but I'm not at all up to speed on that, so you'd kind of be on your own. Okay, so I'm going to click on EBSCOhost Web, and you can, depending on your internet speed, you may want to go through at this point and just pick those databases that you want to look through. EBSCOhost is a collection of databases, and we're going to select them all because I'm just not going to go through the business of picking and choosing here. Now we're to, at this point, the search page where you're actually going to try to search your topic using a different number of keywords. Limit your results to full text, because if you can't find the full text, you can't actually read the full articles, and then it wouldn't be of any use to you. Now we're going to pick a topic here. I'm just going to pick a random topic that I don't believe anybody has chosen in their for their paper on in our particular class, but it's one that's picked often in our classes, and that's marijuana legalization. As you can see, I don't actually know how to spell marijuana, so I don't use the word very much. So anyway, we're going to search that topic, and here you have 2,000, a little over 2,000 articles that are related to marijuana legalization. Now, you could search using a different combination of words. We're just using this particular one. I don't know why that comes up. If you want to look at a brief little description of what the article's about, you would click on this title right here, and you'd look at the abstract, and this is and that might help you decide whether or not you want to read that particular article. This article, as you can see, is 3 pages long. It's kind of a short article. Came from Newsweek Global. If you wanted to read that article, you'd go over here to the full text link and click on that. We're not going to bother with that in this demo. Now, as far as your citations, like how to list it in your Works Cited page, you can use this little tool over here that's exclusive to the EBSCO articles, and click on Cite, and it gives you a list of the different ways to cite things. And if we look here in the MLA, they've done everything. You do need to double check these provided citations, because they sometimes get the capitalizations wrong, or some different things like that. In here, they have got the capitalizations wrong because a computer generated this instead of a person, and the computer didn't know that IRS was all caps. So that would need to be changed. Everything else about this looks pretty good. Yeah, it doesn't have a hanging indent, but we'll talk about that in another topic. And anyway, that's our little demo, a little quick demo for you guys to see how to access resources through the library databases.